Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I am Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button. If you find any kind of value, make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel, we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on a daily basis. And make sure to turn on the bell notification to subscribe too, because yes, I said we make a lot of videos like this every single day, and make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of them, and let us keep on as simple and as short as possible. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have Xtz or Tezos with the USDT or the Tether token, and basically Tezos at the moment is sitting at price of around $2.92. Today we are down 11 cents or 3.73%. It is what it is though. If you scale up to the lower time frames, actually, this is how the chart looks like. And we have this pretty good level at right around 280-ish level. Okay, so we can see that a lot of things were going on. There was a resistance, then a support. Again, we just broke through this right here, and we just kept pushing to the downside. We had a fake breakout right there, which we hit that level right here. We feel that level. So again, a beautiful zone right there too. But this is what we're gonna be focusing our eyes on. So at the moment, on the lower time frame, actually, as you see on the 30-minute chart, we made a higher high right here. We made a higher high, then a higher low, high, like lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then a lower low. Now we're making the new lower low. And what I think that will be happening is something like this. In this case, something like this can happen. Or something like this. Let me just get this thing. Okay, but we will see, guys. Like, I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is what I'm seeing at the moment on the chart. And if, for example, this happened, I will be happy with my prediction. And if you just push back to the downside, I won't be really concerned, because I'm in this for the long, like for the long term, and I'm playing the long game. And also it will be another opportunity for me to average on in for the people who are in right there at $3, for example. Okay, so yeah, that's all I'm trying to say, and that's all I'm trying to do, like speak out in today's video. And the level that we want to reach, if we want to keep pushing to the upside, is this. So we are actually really close to that, but we will see what will be happening. And this is it. Let me know what are your thoughts. If you want to support the channel, like the video, it will help me a lot. And if you want to stay in touch with these kinds of cryptos and stocks that are on my channel, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.